how to buy Spark, the Spark AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. This token is available, as you can see, in the explainer. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember, this token came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet and click on swap from here, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet before going and buy this token. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see, to find the right token. Now click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now in the provider, just select one of these, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information before going and click on swap. After that, if you click on swap, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you find any issues on your buy process, go back to this page, switch this lib page from here or custom it, and after that you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Spark token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.